examine critically the various facets of economic policies of the British in India from mid-18th century till independence. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The economic policies of the British in India, from the mid-18th century until independence, had a significant impact on the country's economy and society. These policies primarily served the British Empire's interests, focusing on economic and political objectives. Body. Key aspects of British economic policies included revenue administration, introduced land revenue systems like permanent settlement, Ryotwari, and Mahalwari. These systems often exploited farmers and concentrated wealth among a few landholders, leading to famines and rural indebtedness. Trade and commerce promoted the export of raw materials from India to Britain and imported British manufactured goods. Transformed India's economy into a colonial dependency. Deindustrialization. Indian handicrafts could not compete with British machine-made goods, causing unemployment and the decline of local industries. Railways, drain of wealth, integrated the Indian market but primarily served British interests, financed through Indian resources. Included profit repatriation, salaries of British officials, and interest payments on loans. Conclusion. These policies led to the impoverishment of the Indian peasantry, deindustrialization, and a significant drain of wealth, severely hindering India's economic development. While some infrastructure improvements occurred, the negative impacts far outweighed the benefits.